Okay, hi, I'm Ed from Parkland RV. If you followed our last video on the rotten slide room, here's the finished product. Got a brand new roof, all rot repaired.
Oh, it looks great.
Brand new sidewall, new fiberglass. Everything is sealed properly.
Wow, this up here was where that hole was.
Yes, that's where all that water came in. The customer is still going to have to do his due diligence on maintenance. Keep an eye on this or he's going to have the same problem.
Wow, it looks amazing.
It was a big job, but it turned out very nice. I'm very happy with it. New roof, new wall, new floor.
Wow.
Other than the bright white, you can't tell that I was even in there.
Wow, this is really cool. We'll head down here now and look at the floor since there's a new floor in it too. We'll take a peek underneath. Ooh, look at that.
Brand new floor, brand new slide skis. Everything's back up to par just like it should be.
So now all they have to do is take it out camping and have some fun.
That's right. Go
And-
have fun with it.
And like
take
you
care
said,
of it.
take care of it. Check their seals, check their caulk.
That's right. If anybody has this issue, we can repair it at Parkland RV in Weddington, Missouri.
Well, thanks, Ed.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
your time.
You bet. Thank you.